Many All Recipes members say this recipe for bacon ranch pasta salad from member Willimon is a perfect party salad. Member Cindy M writes, "This was so easy and really good. I doubled the recipe for a party, so I had lots of salad. People asked for the recipe." Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook 12 ounces of tricolor rotini until it's tender yet firm to the bite, about 8 minutes. Then drain it. Cook 10 slices of bacon in a skillet over medium-high heat until it's evenly browned. Drain it on paper towels. Then crumble or chop it. To make the dressing, to 1 cup of mayonnaise in a large bowl, add 3 tablespoons of dry ranch salad dressing mix, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic pepper, and whisk to mix it. Then pour in 1/2 cup of milk. Stir it to mix until it's smooth. You can add more milk if you would like a thinner dressing, or use less for a thicker dressing. Add the cooked rotini to the dressing. Then add the bacon. And 1 large chopped tomato. All Recipes member Willimon, who submitted this recipe, writes that you can use whole grape tomatoes instead because the salad will stay even fresher if there is any leftover. Use about 1 cup of grape tomatoes. Add 1 4 1/4 ounce can of drained sliced black olives and 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Toss to coat with the dressing. Cover the salad and chill it for at least 1 hour. If you're serving the salad the next day, leave the bacon out and mix it in right before so it stays crisp. Before serving, toss with additional milk if the salad seems a little dry. All Recipes member Kay Lynn writes, "Bacon ranch pasta salad is delicious and has a very pretty presentation."